visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang, no? Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you find the video, the message is also meant to find you. Tignan natin po kung ano po ang mga nangyayari sa ating kapaligiran. Your first card is the Page of Wisdom. So, meron tayong mga ngayon tinitignan or probably itong person na ito tinitignan ng ating social media accounts, wanting to know the updates, no? Probably meron ding palaging naka-watch, no, sa ating My Days, yung mga ganyan, with the Knight of Charisma. So, parang feeling ko, nagkaroon ng pause ang connection. Hindi man siya totally in separation or talagang break up, pero parang nabawasan yung intensity, no, nitong inyong connection. Parang medyo naging stagnant, even to a point that nothing is actually happening sa connection na ito. Parang pakiwari ko, wala lang, basta lang nawala yung spark, nawala yung init, nawala yung lambing. Pero, somewhat, alam mo, meron pa rin kayong connection. Yun nga lang, questionable ka na, kami pa ba? No? Pwede mo kasi may tanong, kami pa ba? Gusto pa ba ako nito? Iniisip pa ba ako nito? Gusto nyo pa bang ipagpatuloy yung connection? So, with the Four of Charisma, you're still holding on to this connection. You're still parang either binabantayan din itong update ni person or binabantayan niya yung update regarding you, no? Kung siya man yun. Nakikita din natin dito na parang someone is actually waiting for the other person to give them a hint, no? Tayo pa ba? Diba? Ano bang plano mo, no? Sa connection na ito? Gusto mo pa bang ipagpatuloy? With the Emperor. Yun nga lang. Kumbaga, kung ako naman yung nag-aantay, ayoko din naman mag-reach out. So, parang, parehas kayo nagbabantayan ng pwedeng sabihin sa social media account, pero ayaw munang makipag-usap. Okay, sige, sabihin natin, given. Ayaw munang makipag-usap, ayaw munang ipagpatuloy, pero hindi rin kayang bitawan yung connection. Weird, but yes, nangyayari. Totoo na nangyayari, di ba? Meron ba akong ganun? Ay, oo, meron. Oo nga. Sa totoong nangyayari, hindi ko na dapat tinanong. Meron akong biglang naisip. Oo nga. No? I'm still holding on to someone, pero hindi kami nag-uusap. Okay. Given. But I'm hoping that things are gonna be okay in the future. Oh yes, meron. With the Queen of... Nandito ba ang aking... Nire-read ko ba yung sarili ko? With the Queen of Wisdom. So there we go. Lumabas na ang aking zodiac sign. Anyway, with the Queen of Wisdom, nakikita naman natin dito, yung love mo na din. No? So may nag-a-analyze ako, reading ko ba to? Yeah, syempre, nagbablush daw ako. Yeah, nandun pa rin naman yung emotion. Oh yes, nandun pa rin naman, but I am also the Emperor. So, I would love to Ay, kung sino ka man, alam mo kung sino ka. With the Emperor, ang nanonood ka. With the Emperor, nakikita natin, ayan. Si Emperor kasi parang gusto ko munang maayos yung lahat, no? I don't wanna be in a situation wherein things are messy. Tapos, katulad niya, madami tayong ginagawa. Naku, inangkin ko yung reading. Let's say, madami ka rin ginagawa, di ba? Kaso, hindi mo nga mapagsabay-sabay eh. Parang, the relationship came in a wrong time, could be. So, with the Four of Strength, nakikita naman natin yung reconciliation, things are gonna come back to normal, no? Things are gonna be okay, and reconciliation is still here. So, with the Ace of Wisdom, since nakita ko na yung aking zodiac sign, kiniklaim ko na ito with the Ace of Wisdom. So, nakikita natin ngayon na kasi yung aces is the emotions are gonna be back. And I feel like the emotions are becoming more deeper. Maybe for you, maybe for the person, maybe for the both of you. With the Moon card. And here we go. So, nakikita ko na talaga na reading ko rin to with the Moon card because this is my zodiac sign. This is somewhat, part my zodiac, but this Moon card is me. Anyway, with the Moon card, marami ka pa rin questions, no? Dahil nga walang communication, walang clear kung magkakabalikan ba or what have you. Pero marami ring answers with the Ten of Charisma. The Ten of Charisma signifies that things are gonna be okay in the future. And this is also what you're hoping for. It could be that this is somewhat you are manifesting. So the Ten of Charisma signifies a lot of things. Harvesting, no? Harvesting those manifestations, harvesting those emotions, harvesting those communications, and this, kumbaga para siyang black hole, no? Na I'm sucking everything, but I hope that you're sucking all the good things, no? You're juicing out all the good things. Yung mga negativities medyo let go mo na. Pero ang tanong nga natin is with the Two of sabay na nautal ako. Kasi this is going to happen very soon. Okay. So I know that I am part of you guys na medyo nag-aantay dahil nakita ko nga aking zodiac sign here. Ay, nako. So, meron ba dito intelligence? O buti na lang. So, with the Two of eto na nga, the Two of Intelligence. So, parang sinabi dito, ano yung kakalimutan? The Hangman and the Ten of Strength. Parang matatanggal dito na yung mga alinlangan, yung mga questions and fear of this connection is not going to come through. So, nakikita natin dito yung mga, let's say, the Emperor structure. Kaayusan din, no? Ng ating probably schedules ng buhay. Buhay niya din. Kaya nakikita natin ditong Four of Strength, magkakaroon pa to ng reconciliation and mas magiging deep ang connection because nagkaroon nga ng separation, no? So this is your reading. Kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section, katulad ko. And let's check the zodiac sign of the person. Pero bago yan, kung meron po kayong mga tanong sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link and you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Leo, Scorpio, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Taurus, The Strength card, Leo, Sagittarius, Virgo. Aries is here. Scorpio is here. And Capricorn. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You